Logical fallacies are broken arguments. They look convincing, but the reasoning is faulty. Today, we map the most common traps: strawman, ad hominem, slippery slope, false dilemma, appeal to authority, bandwagon, circular reasoning, and hasty generalization. Spot them, and you stop losing debates.
The strawman fallacy twists your opponent's argument into something weaker, then attacks that fake version. Someone says, "We need better school lunches." The strawman replies, "So you want to bankrupt the schools?" That is not the real claim, just a scarecrow.
Ad hominem attacks the person instead of the argument. A scientist presents climate data. The critic replies, "You drive a car, so your data is worthless." The car has nothing to do with the data. Attack the claim, not the speaker. Slippery slope claims one small step leads to disaster without proof. If we allow homework extensions, students will stop studying, fail exams, and society will collapse. Each jump skips the evidence. A small step is not the same as a free fall. False dilemma pretends only two options exist when more are available. You are either with us or against us. But you might agree on some points, disagree on others, or need more time. Real choices come with a third door, and often a fourth. Appeal to authority uses a famous name instead of real evidence. A celebrity says this vitamin cures colds, so it must be true. But fame is not proof. Ask for the study, the data, and the expertise. Authority without evidence is just a costume. Bandwagon says it must be right because everyone is doing it. 1 million people bought this phone, so it is the best phone. Popularity is not proof of quality. Many people once believed the earth was flat. Count reasons, not heads. Circular reasoning uses the conclusion as the proof. The book is true because the book says so. The claim and the evidence are the same sentence. A loop is not an argument. Real proof comes from outside the circle. Hasty generalization draws a huge conclusion from a tiny sample. I met 2 rude tourists, so all tourists are rude? 2 people cannot represent millions. Big claims need big samples. One bad meal does not condemn the whole restaurant. Red herring distracts from the real issue. A reporter asks about budget cuts. The official answers, "But think about how great our flag looks today." The flag is unrelated. A red herring drags attention away from the actual question. Post hoc thinks one event caused another just because it came first. I wore red socks, then my team won, so the socks caused the win. Sequence is not cause. Correlation needs a real mechanism before it becomes proof. To spot a fallacy, ask 3 questions. Is the claim restated fairly? Is the evidence real? Does the conclusion follow? Run every argument through this filter. Strong reasoning survives the test. Weak reasoning falls apart, and you win the debate.